Hello students, in previous link we have completed our hard words and meanings in our CW book. What you have the next on page number 55? Comprehension part, that is answer these questions. You can see you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 questions. How many? 4 questions. Today we would be writing in our CW book. So here it is. Students, you have to read along with me. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Answer these questions. Number 1. Why did Tony miss his lunch at school? Tony ने अपना lunch क्यों miss किया था school में? Because older boys they had taken the Tony's lunch box, right? So what is your answer? Because one of the older boys had taken his lunch, threatening to beat him up. क्या क्या था elder boy ने? The one of the older boy, what he have done? He had taken his lunch box and he said, I will beat you. So your question is, why did Tony miss his lunch at school? Answer, because one of the older boys had taken his lunch, threatening to beat him up. Once again, WHY, why? DID, did. TONY, Tony. MISS, miss. HIS, his. LUNCH, lunch. At school. Why did Tony miss his lunch at school? Answer, BECAUSE, because ONE, one of the OLDER, older, BOYS, boys, had TAKEN, taken, his, LUNCH, lunch, THREATENING, threatening, to BEAT, beat him up, because one of the older boys had taken his lunch, threatening to beat him up. Now come to question number 2. Why were people afraid of a wasp although it is a small insect? Now what is the question? हम सब wasp से डरते हैं, right? वो छोटे से insect से डरते हैं. For what? Because it is having sting, है कि नहीं? उसके पास sting होती है, वो काट सकता है, इसके लिए हम सब wasp से डरते हैं, small insect से. So your answer is, although it is a small insect, people are afraid of the wasp because of its sting. Once again, WHYAREYR, PEOPLE, people. AFRAID, afraid of a WASP, wasp. ALTHOUGH, although it is a SMALL, small. INSECT, insect. Why are people afraid of a wasp although it is a small insect? Answer, ALTHOUGH, although it is a SMALL, small. INSECT, insect. PEOPLE, people. Are AFRAID, afraid of the WASP, wasp, because of its, 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 STING, sting. Although it is a small insect, people are afraid of the wasp because of its sting. Now come to number 3. The next day, Tony seemed like a newborn. This is the sentence of our lesson, right? The next day, Tony seemed like a new boy. Explain this sentence in your own words. Cite evidence from the text to support your answer. Now what it is said, कि आपको ये sentence explain करना है and इसके लिए एक evidence ढूंढना है. Understood? Evidence means you have to find the text from the lesson which will have the same meaning. So what is our answer? Text का meaning क्या है? इस sentence का meaning क्या है? The sentence means he was no longer afraid of the older boys who bullied him. The next day Tony seemed like a new boy. सच्ची में वो new बन गया क्या? No. But he was having the new confidence. He was afraid of those big boys? No, he was not afraid. So you will write the answer. The sentence means he was no longer afraid of the older boys who bullied him, जो उसे परेशान करते थे. He had a trick how to deal with them. and felt like a changed person. So this sentence means that now he has various tricks to deal with them and he was feeling literally changed. He was feeling like little changed person. Now let's see the evidence. So students, come to the next side of your book. What is our evidence? What are the lines? No longer did he walk with his gaze on the ground, nor did he look away when people spoke to him. He was confident, ready to face up anyone. Yes, this sentence tells us that Tony was seemed to be a new boy. है कि नहीं? टोनी कैसे लग रहा था? कुछ नया लग रहा था. Now come to question number 4. What does the author mean by he carried a backpack full of stings? इसका मतलब क्या है? टोनी ने सारी इंसेक्ट की स्टिंग तोड़कर बैग में रख ली? No. This sentence means he had a lot of tricks to deal with boys who were bullying him. स्टिंग्स का यहाँ पे मीनिंग क्या है? बैकपैक फुल ऑफ स्टिंग्स मीन्स कि बहुत सारे ट्रिक्स थे ना अभी टोनी के पास टू डील विद दिस ओल्डर बॉयज. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. What does the author 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 mean by he CARRIED carried a BACK backpack full of STINGS stings? What does the author mean by he carried a backpack full of stings? Answer. It means he had a lot of TRICKS tricks to deal deal WITH with BOYS boys who were WERE who were BULLYING bullying him. It means he had a lot of tricks to deal with boys who were bullying him. So students, we have completed our comprehension all 4 question answers in our CW book. Remember to write it neatly, give apostrophes, commas, inverted marks, question marks, सब कुछ अच्छे से देना है, अच्छे से punctuate करके लिखना है. Remember to write T capital, okay, because it is the name of a person. It means Tony name क्या हो गया? Noun हो गया. How you are going to write? T always in capital. Understood? Look carefully, read along with the video. Bye bye.